Hello, I'm Eli, here to tell you about some exciting new features we just launched with Marky. So if you haven't already seen it, last week we released categories, and it's a way to organize your topics. You might have heard of content pillars in the social media world. This is also able to capture your pillars, kind of just the core parts of how you want to organize your content. So in here we have topics that Marky uses and posts about, and you'll notice that there's a color on this now. So in a topic, you can edit and you can choose a color for a topic, which is great because you'll see how that's used in just a second. So if we go over to our posts, you'll notice posts look pretty different. We've changed a lot about how they visually look, and you'll also notice that there's this tag here, and that tag is the same color as the category. This is the category that the post belongs to. You'll also notice some other updates, some features. We moved things around a little bit. So before we had a show inputs button in this menu, we've moved that right out to the front. This will let you see what inputs this post was generated with, so you can see what topic was used, what theme was used. You can even disable that theme if you want to, and go to those. And this will keep getting built out as we add more inputs and ways to generate posts. This will be a quick way to see, how did I get this post? Where is this coming from? Now also, for those agencies out there, we have the review process. The review button is up at the top, and that goes into the drafts. So you can flag posts for review, clicking that button. You get this little ready for review banner at the top, and all the same review options right there. You can request changes, approve posts, remove the status. So that's exciting. Also for agencies, there's the commenting feature that's down at the bottom here, and you can leave comments and all your usual features there as well. It'll also show you if there's any unresolved comments, which is helpful for knowing what comments are left. Now also a much requested feature, we have a grid view. So up here you can change your layout. The default is a list view, but you can change it to grid. And this will let you just see a lot more posts at once, and hopefully make it easier for those of you trying to do a lot of go through a lot of posts very quickly. There's also a bulk edit option up here. We used to have this if you hover over and there's a check mark, but we've changed how that works. Now it's just this select post button. I can click that, I enter bulk edit mode, I can select the posts I want to move, and let's actually do this in the generated here. So I'll go selection mode, select a few posts, and at the bottom here, there's actions. I can also click this button to select all of them, or just select a couple. And then I can use these bulk actions to trash all those or move them to drafts, schedule them. I'll move these to trash. And yeah, and that's bulk edit mode. It'll take a second to do that. So yeah, those are some of our new features, and we're excited to release these out. This will pave the way for a lot of other features. These categories are going to be coming into your library. They'll be coming into your calendar and your schedule, your queue. We'll be pulling these categories into other places around Marky. So super excited for the future of this, and yeah, getting this out to you. Let us know what you think. Thanks for watching.